Hi friends, this is Jyoti Singh. Today I'm going to speak with you about how can you speak fluent English? How can you increase your fluency in English? My dear friends, come to the topic directly. First point which I would like to give you. Don't give a damn. Don't give a damn. Means it's very simple, my dear friends. When you speak, don't judge yourself. What people will say. लोग क्या कहेंगे, मैं सही बोला गलत बोला, लोग कहेंगे मैं तो गलत बोला. अरे लोग समझेंगे नहीं समझेंगे. My dear friends, they don't understand. This is their problem, not your problem. अगर आपने बोला और कोई नहीं समझा तो ये उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, आपकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Why do you bother about that? Don't bother about that. If he is your friend, if he is your well wisher, he will say, my dear friend, I did not understand you. Then you can repeat or you can make him understand again. Okay, but until it did not happen, please you speak, you open your mouth in English whenever is possible, the whole day. Okay, now many a time it happens, my dear friends, बहुत बार हम अपने शुरुआत ही नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि शुरुआती दौर में हमें ये डर लगा रहता है कि अगर मैं गलत बोला तो. अरे गलत बोला तो, जब तक गलत नहीं बोलोगे सही नहीं बोलोगे, ये तो भूल भूल ही गए हो. कभी आपने देखा है कोई बच्चा सीधे खड़ा हुआ और चलना शुरू कर दिया या दौड़ना शुरू कर दिया और वो बैठा और एक ही बार में बैठ गया? नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट गोज दैट. अगर बच्चा बैठने भी सीखता है ना तो वो बार बार गिरता है. ओके, और फिर पेरेंट्स ये नहीं बोलते अबे तू तो गिर गया, अभी कभी उठेगा नहीं, तू एक काम कर, सोया ही रहे जिंदगी भर. नेवर इट हैपेंस. अगर बच्चा खड़ा भी होता है तो बार बार फिर वो गिरता है. फिर पेरेंट्स कभी ये नहीं बोलते तू बेटा कभी खड़ा नहीं हो सकता, तू बैठा ही रहे. वो हमेशा उसको क्या करते हैं, उसको प्रोत्साहित करते हैं, उसको आगे बढ़ाते हैं और वो फिर खड़ा होता है, चलता है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स गोज द सेम वे, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. फर्स्ट you open your mouth, don't think about others, think about yourself. Whatever you have learned, you open your mouth, you speak with people. Okay, and don't judge yourself. Next point is that read out loud. Read out loud, my dear friend. Just use daily read a book in English, very good book. Okay, in good book you can read The Secret, you can read Autobiography of a Yogi, you can read Where There Is Light, you can read The Power, you can read Robin Sharma, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, you can read Mega Living by Robin Sharma, you can read Time Trap by Mackenzie, you can read Brian Tracy's book, you can read this Brian Tracy's book also, Jim Brown, Success Principles by Jack Canfield. It's a very nice book, Success Principles by Jack Canfield. Also, if you get, you read it. Okay. So, what we understand here, my dear friends, and you read, you will say how many minutes? Start with 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay. Read loud, read out loud, and if you find any word which meaning you don't understand, just circle that word and search the meaning, and after that go ahead. Okay. Or first you read the whole book, after that you circle the word that you get the meaning, and after that you try to understand what the para is saying to you. Now, my dear friends, we understand here. Now the third point is what? Learn one new word every day. Learn at least one new word every day. अगर आप बहुत lazy हो, then my dear friends, I request you learn one new word which you don't know at all every day, and make sentences and use it in day-to-day life, and use the next day also. But I will say, if you are little active, proactive, then learn 5 new words daily. How many I am saying? 5 new words daily. My dear friends, अगर आप 5 new words daily सीखते हो तो आप 30 days में कितने वर्ड सीखोगे बताओ? नए वर्ड्स 150 अब सीखोगे. कितने सीखोगे? 150. यस. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप एक वर्ड भी डेली सीखते हो तो आपने महीने में कितने नए वर्ड सीखे? एटलीस्ट 30 वर्ड्स, राइट? और अगर 5 वर्ड आपने सीखा तो कितना आपने सीखा? 150. यस. I will request you learn 5 words. You are not a small child, a very small kid. Okay, so you can learn it. My dear friends, now use these words in day-to-day life. Understand the parts of the speech also of this word, and understand the parts of the speech. I will say don't go with the kinds. You only understand the definition. Okay, केवल परिभाषा को समझो कि कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है, कैसे यूज होता है. ओके, तब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा एडजेक्टिव कहाँ यूज होता है, नाउन कहाँ यूज होता है, वर्ब कहाँ यूज होता है. इट इज वेरी इजी टू फ्रेम द सेंटेंस, एंड देन इट विल बी वेरी मच इजी to frame and structurize the sentence. You will not find any difficulty into that. The next point is that, my dear friends, immerse yourself. What is immerse yourself? Listen English song, watch English movies. आप बोलोगे इंग्लिश मूवीज समझ में कुछ नहीं आता? नो वरीज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एक बात बताओ, अगर बच्चा धरती पे आता है तो सबसे पहले उसको हम लिखना सिखाते हैं या बोलना सिखाते हैं? ये बताइए। बच्चे को आप क्या सिखाते हो? पहले आप लिखना सिखाते हो, बोलना सिखाते हो? आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टीच हिम टू स्पीक। और वो बोलता कैसे है? सुन सुन के बोलता है। द सेम चाइल्ड यू बिकम, you listen the song or you listen watch the movie, listen the dialogues, and you speak and utter the dialogues and try to understand the meaning of the context. It will help you a lot to understand a new language. और मैंने अपने एक वीडियो में आपको बताया भी है कि वो 10 टॉप मोस्ट मूवीज़ जो कि आपकी इंग्लिश को बहुत बेहतर करने में मदद करेंगे, वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो है। प्लीज़ आप उसको वॉच करिए। आप उसको कैसे वॉच करेंगे? आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकॉन को आप रिंग करना ना भूलें, तो आपको सारे वीडियोस जो मैं टाइम टू टाइम आपको दे रही हूँ वो आपको मिलेंगे, और जो प्रीवियस वीडियोस है वो भी आपको इजीली मिल जाएंगे। नाउ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वन मोर थिंग इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. द फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज दैट, व्हाट इज दैट? स्पेंड टाइम विथ पीपल who speak fluent English. Spend time with people who speak fluent English. ऐसे लोगों के साथ आप अपना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करो जो कि फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलते हो, क्योंकि माय डियर फ्रेंड्स ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि हमारी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं हो पाती। वो इसलिए नहीं हो पाती है क्योंकि हमारे इर्द गिर्द कोई फ्लुएंसी वाला पर्सन होता ही नहीं है जिसको सुने, जिसको फॉलो करे और अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करें। तो आप ऐसे कुछ फ्रेंड्स बनाओ, आप ऐसे कुछ ट्रेनर्स को वॉच करो, and now you can think why I am speaking Hindi in between. I know my dear friends, if you know English then you will not listen me, okay? You have some problem, that's why you are listening me. So I am making this video in English, means Hindi and English both, by which you should be able to understand, because my motive is not how much good I speak in English. My motive is how much good you understand whatever I am saying. That will help you. That is my motive. For that purpose I am using Hindi too, okay? So now the bonus tip I would like to give you. What will be that bonus tip? My dear friends, go into a state of overlearning zone. Go into a state of overlearning zone. What is this overlearning zone? Overlearning zone means, my dear friends, you learn from various sources. Watch movies, listen songs, read books, join courses. I have also designed my spoken English course. It's a very beautiful course. In a very short span of time, you are going to learn everything so well mannered way. And my dear friends, I have the experience of teaching English for last 15 years, and I have invented my own methods. Okay. And my dear friends, spoken, I know it's a very tough game for many of the people, but for me, it's a matter of days. It's a matter of method, it's a matter of belief, it's a matter of changing your thought pattern and making you ready to learn this language. The moment you learn this language, everything gets changed, you get changed. The world is not the same for you after understanding all these things. So, if you like this video, share with others. If you want to join my course, comment me, I will send you the link. How can you join, how can you get all these access, okay? And at last I would like to request, please share your comments with me. I would like to read your comment, I will reply your comment personally, and I will take your suggestions. If you have any topic on which you want I should make video, please write the topic. I will definitely, when I will find maximum number of people are approaching me with that topic, then I will prepare a video for you. And do not forget to like button if you think I have added any value in your life. If not, no issue, you can't. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.